Birds of Prey, Tesseract, take 1. I'm Batgirl.
Ha! Ow! Fuck, I had full moon hair. Oh man, that was aggressive.
In a manner of speaking, yes. Most passages above, below, and at ground level are...
Known as the Tesseract of Time, can grant its user any width. Darn it! Oh, a slip-up. First time. Anyway...
In a manner of... Most passages above, below, and at ground level are...
Perhaps your Harley might have, but Harley here really suspects.
Have to say, that's very unprofessional of... Ah, slip of the tongue. It happens.
Way to get us hyped up, Ivy. I thought you wanted the Joker to... Sorry about that.
Well, from the readings that Tracker's giving off, it should be...
Perhaps your Harley might have, but Harley here really seriously.
It does, but the birds of prey I know already skipped town after the Joker became Joker.
My gut tells me you still remember the sacrifices you got. Sorry, hang on, that's not the line. Way to get us hyped up, Ivy. I thought you wanted the good Joker to go down. Sorry, I'll do that again. How about you two? Well, other than being unable to name bomb the artifact... Sorry. Well, then, other than being able... Sorry. Well, other than being able... I'm Batgirl. Okay, that's a wrap, everyone.